There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now.
Hey y'all, hey, what's up, what's up? Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up? We came to slay or what today? So y'all already know what time it is, okay? Y'all seen the title. This is the best of the best of the best of the best of the best, okay? You can't get no better than this. Except if you go to their sister site, you can too. But girl, you already know how we do. My First Wigs, y'all. So listen, y'all know how I feel about My First Wigs and RPG show, okay? Those are my go-tos. Those are my favorites. Those are two of my favorites. Y'all know I got like a couple of favorites now. Quite a few, not quite a few. Probably like four or five, but girl, listen, My First Wig always come through. Easy beginner wigs. You ain't got to do much or nothing. Girl, what? Hello. My First Wigs, they have all type of wigs. Everything from silky straight, 𝐷𝐿𝐼𝐧𝐝, kinky, free cut yourself, girl, bleached, clean hairline. They got y'all covered, okay? So this one right here is an 18-inch kinky one, okay? And let me tell you, she's a 13x6 lace front, 130% density because she's kinky. And she is a Swiss lace, you know, tinted Swiss lace like always. But here's the cool thing about this one. I kept her nicely packaged like this because she ready to go. She ready to put on. I ain't got to cut no lace off, okay? But I tell y'all, My First Wigs be coming through just for you. My First Wigs be coming through just for you, okay, girl? I'm gonna really try to put this wig on without having to style her, you know, like put any heat or any bump to her because she already came pre-styled. She got a little bit of bump. No, this is kinky hair, so you gotta kind of like leave them curls in overnight. It's already bleached for you. Look at this hairline. It's already cut. Girl, what? I already got my nape area. Well, girl, I ain't got the nape area ready because this was for the mannequin. But girl, if I try to kill myself, girl, I'm trying to squeeze my brain with it being this tight. Okay, we don't want to squeeze our brain because then how we supposed to think? You know what I'm saying? And I do likes to think. But also an elastic band that's already pre-sewn in for you. And I prefer these ones because My First Wigs always sew them in the right spot. I normally put mine on the middle hooks like that. But damn, look at this. Pre-bleached, Swiss tinted lace, pre-cut, pre-style. What else is there to do? Oh, I can show you how the wig come and stuff like that. But we're going to just get through. We're going to do what it do. We're going to slay all day like it's a beat day. Okay, girl, let's get into it.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low.
All right, y'all, look at this hairline. Like, there is nothing that you need to do to this unit. Precise hairline, clean hairline. Girl, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay, pre-approved, pre-everything. This is a pre-ready wig. I love the fact that My First Wigs is coming out with like all these pre-done wigs. Now, you know, I need to make sure that my sides are down. So I'm only going to put hairspray right there where I'm pointing to. That's so, you know, girl, listen, that's the sides that always flap up on any wig. So I just make sure that they're down. And the rest of the wig, I definitely do not need any hairspray. This texture is so beautiful. Like when I tell you it is so natural looking, kinky straight hair, you do not need any baby hairs with this unit. The hairline is perfect. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, okay, pre-bleached, okay, girl, pre-styled, and pre-approved. Now, you know I love to use this foam, which is the Marc Anthony's, and I just need sideburns. I need sideburns. I have a long head, so I just feel like no hairstyle is right without sideburns. But for this particular wig, look, no glue, no hairspray. Swoopity swoop with the comb, it went right through. You definitely can just put this on and go. This is definitely a glueless. The cap fits amazing. I just really am fond of Myfirstwigs, and I tell you guys all the time, they are the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Now, what I'm doing with the foam is I'm just applying some to my hairline because I don't want the hair to look like it's just blunt. So I use it to brush the hair and give it like more of a natural appearance. And look at those sides, like, girl, look. This is some very natural looking hair. I love the fact that it just came already styled. I didn't have to cut any lace. I didn't have to bleach anything. I didn't have to pluck anything. Girl, this is what you call ready to wear. Now I am gonna put a couple bumps back in the unit because I want a little bit more fluff to this unit. You don't have to, but I'm gonna just give myself a little bit more fluff because some of the curls did drop in during transit to me. But other than that, I would highly suggest when you are using a hot comb or a flat iron or a barrel comb or a barrel wand, make sure you don't put too much of the hair in the barrel because this is kinky hair, which means it's thicker. Do y'all see that? Look at that. Shoot, girl is feeling pretty. Okay, pretty, okay.
All that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me. Oh, yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong.
Girl, let me tell y'all. Let me just tell y'all. This was like the easiest lace front install I've ever done. Like, seriously, super quick. Didn't even need no baby hairs. Didn't even really need no sideburn hairs. Girl, didn't even need to mess with the hairline. Like, go ahead, Myfirstwigs. Like, when you get a Myfirstwig wig, girl, you do it big. This hair texture is lovely. I did put a couple bumps back in it because they fell out. But girl, this is some nice hair. Now, here's the trick. When you are ready to curl it, don't put a lot on the barrel. That was my mistake. Because the hair is textured, you don't want to put a lot on the barrel. But I guarantee you, this will probably flat iron real cute, but I just decided to keep the actual texture and style. I love when I got a wig where it's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and pre-plucked, okay? And pre-approved. Hello. 5, do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you born to slay, okay? Do it Myfirstwig wig. That really didn't go at the end, but okay. Girl, look, this wig came out nice. This is like business casual, business woman, like boss lady hair. This is boss lady hair, style, texture, everything. 18 inches, natural hair color. The density is 130. I told you guys, you don't need a lot of density because the hair is already textured. So girl, you good with 130. And if it's comfortable, the lace is lacing, baby. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Yes. So go ahead and check the description box. Make sure you check out Myfirstwigs. They always do it big. They always got good wig sales. They always got good wigs on the website. Beginner friendly, everybody friendly. They just friendly, okay? You know what I'm saying? Like, seriously. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. She is really pretty. Like, Myfirstwigs be definitely doing a thing. I didn't even have to put any concealer in the parting because it's already there. Swiss tinted lace. Baby, hairline is perfect. Wig is perfect. Nicely fit. Textured. Girl, what more can you ask for? Like, seriously, I always tell y'all when it comes to Myfirstwigs, they are the best of 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 the best. Along with RPG Show. This is the best of the best of the best. We can't get no better than this. Like, straight up, we really just can't get no better than this. Check out their website. They got plenty of wigs to choose from. I will list everything down below. You know what I'm saying? This is one of those throw on and goes and you out the door. I'm just saying, you like the flow. You already know. We're going to do it like it's our B-day and we always going to slay. Myfirstwigs way. So I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, leave your comment. I will definitely see y'all in the comments. I love y'all. Stay blessed. Stay beautiful. Stay out the way. Mind your business too, okay? And stay diva and divolicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.